Hello everyone. Imagine an AI that not only helps you research a topic but also gives you everything you need in terms of summary report, video explainer, an audio version, a mind map, and even flashcards all in one place. Sounds like future, right? In this video, I will walk you through Notebook LM step by step. You can head over to the website notebooklm.google.com and just create new. Here you can upload sources or just put in chat. I will just put a chat on how does search works for video content, and let's see the results. So when I click the submit button, it will search for all the sources on this subject on the web. And here it has highlighted all the sources. Here we have the option to select those sources or all the sources, or we can select whichever which we prefer. Once we select all these sources, it will then generate the reports based on these. So it has first given us the summary of this research report, which is video indexing, search, and AI retrieval. On the right side of the screen, you can see we have few options like audio overview, video overview, mind map, reports, flashcards, and quiz. We can select any of these options or all of these options to get our report. So let's proceed. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, it has given me further questions on further research. So I'm gonna select here the first question. Let's go back to the first question. What core technological processes enable accurate in-video search? And I'm just gonna click on it and let's see the results. So as soon as I click, it starts processing and giving us the results. So here it has generated the report on the exact technologies which are used for video search. For example, vector database indexing and computer vision and real-time indexing. And as you scroll, you will get further details on it. Semantic search and indexing technologies, optical character recognition, and further details. So I somehow like this report, and then we can scroll on the right side to select the version of reports which we want. I'm gonna select here mind map as it's more visual representation of the report. So here it's generating the mind map, and let's click over it. It's generated, and as you can see on the screen, it's a beautiful report for this subject. So let's see, if I click over core technologies, showing metadata extraction, content recognition and indexing, semantic search. If I click over applications and uses, it's showing news and sports, education, content platforms. Similarly, if we search in video, system challenges, as well as search engine optimization. And further, if we click on clicking the mind map, it expands further. So it's very useful and visually appealing mind map, and it gives a visual representation of the research in a very user-friendly way. So now let's click upon the video generation, the audio generation, and I think it will take some time for video and audio part. So let's click on the reports. Here it's showing the options in which format we want the reports. like briefing doc or study guide or a blog post. So let's see how it generates the report format. It takes some time obviously for the video and audio format reports, but I think the text report, the document format, will be generated much earlier. So let's wait for the results and see how it produces the reports. So it seems now our report is ready. I click on it and here we get on the right panel the complete report in the text format. It's titled How We Search for a Movement, a guide to finding the video contents. So as you can see, it's a detailed report and mentions how the search engine works for video. It detects the spoken words, written text in terms of metadata. It also searches for computer vision. It uses computer vision, and then further details are given in this document. I like this document, and it also mentions the use cases of this report, like it can be even used for content creators and editors. So, and also it gives the conclusion. So that's it. This is how we can use Notebook LM to generate research reports in a jiffy and in different formats. I hope you find this useful. Thank you.